Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stencils Live, and guess what time it is? One of my favorite times of the month because I get to introduce you to the newest Fold It Club item. Now, the Fold It Club comes with an A2 size Fold It and two 5x7 stencils. Now, when I say fold it, that means a shaped card, but it also means it's great for banners, for scrapbook pages, for 5x7 cards, for A2 size cards, you name it, boxes, everything, right? So fold-its are very, very versatile. And the thing about the Fold It Club though, my friends, is it's exclusive. You cannot buy these designs later on my website. You don't think that you can get them in a year or whatever. You can't. Once this month is over, boom, we're on to the next one and it's retired. So you need to get into the Fold It Club now so you can get in on this design and so you don't miss out on any of the other designs. Are you ready for me to share this one with you? And I kind of thought I would show you the packaging, but I'm really thinking I need to show you the exact sample because it's going to explain it a lot more. We're calling it the Shutter Window Fold It Die. And why are we calling it that? Because it has these little doors that open. Look at that. But then your Fold It is still on the inside. Now, let me show you. You're getting this awesome die set. Here it is. You're getting this awesome die set. You're getting flowers. You're getting the words hello there. And you're getting little doorknobs. Isn't that funny? I wanted to add little doorknobs or little knobs for the shutters if you wanted to. Now, you're saying that is awesome. But wait, there's more. Because you're also getting this hello stencil. And wait for it. Wait for it, because this is the part that I'm really excited about. We always give you two stencils. And so the one is the hello, 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 which is so much fun. But the other one, check this out, my friends. It is stencils to put on your shutters. So you can make them look like real shutters, or you can put dots. So there's different options. Now, of course, you get a handy dandy postcard, dun, 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 with a couple ideas. Lots more ideas on our website. Lots and lots. Go to our idea gallery. Now, let's check out these samples. So I already showed you the one that you can open the doors. The flowers do come in the set. Yes, they do. And you can open them up like this. Great. But what if you don't want them to open? They don't have to. You can just have a regular card just like that, right? Or watch this, my friends. Here you go. We can open the doors or open the shades, shutters, hello on the inside, because that's one of your stencils. And then it could go on a regular card, right? Or wait, there's more. Here we go. Here's another one. Look, you could put little hearts on the doors if you want to. So this is really, you guys, and this is like double duty because this is a window, but it's also a doorway, right? You get to decide what it is. So here we go. Look, this, who is this? Yvette put little hearts on the doors. Open it up, and then there's your little scene. But my friends, check this out. It's also the inside of the card. So you're getting extra layers to decorate, right? Here's another one. I know I haven't opened this one yet. I'm excited. So it has like a little gatefold thing over it. So we're going to open that up. We're going to open these doors, and it is a winter wonderland. Look at that. It's a shaker card. Isn't that fun? But you know what? Look, there's still a spot to write your message. Isn't that fantastic? So that's awesome. Here's another one, that hello stencil in the background. Hey there, open it up. Sending pineapple smiles. And then, dun, 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 open it up. There's your card. So it is giving you that extra layer. Or if you don't want that extra layer, glue it all closed, and there's the inside of your card. Ooh, here's a door. Look at that with a cute little heart handle on it. Open it up. So do small things with great love. And then we're going to open it up to be our card. Isn't that awesome? And last but not least, perfect for a 5x7 card base, right? Here we go. Here it is on a 5x7. Add a cute little window box and look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that fun? This is also using our brick stencil and our fence die and our grass border die. It all goes together so perfectly. Now, my friends, if you're in the Fold It Club, you get to sit back, relax, and know this is on its way to you, right? You don't have to worry about missing out on this one. If you are not in our Fold It Club, I am asking you to join sooner than later because once it's gone, it is gone. We have ran out before. We do order a little extra because we get so many signups in the month. But once they're gone, they're gone. So make sure you join sooner than later. Get in on this one. You get freebies when you join for the first time. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. And you know what? I'm going to see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.